Tripole rucksacks are manufactured using tested and durable raw material, be it the outer fabric or the thread used in production. The webbing straps and hardware fittings are procured from top manufacturers in the country, which have been tested for performance. The straps on the top of the shoulder, chest, and waist pads help in load adjustment while carrying rucksack for longer duration. Thick padding on the back provides airflow and cushioning. The rucksack is also compatible to hold a water bladder in its back. Bar tacked at crucial points through special machinery, the Walker rucksack is built for rugged use that will last for years. 65 litre rucksack with completely foldable backpack for day hikes. Ideal rucksack for hiking/backpacking for duration ranging from 10 to 18 days. Designed by trekking professionals and travel enthusiasts, the Walker series has been designed with all essential features of a high-utility rucksack. Tripole Gears is also the manufacturer of this rucksack and provides with a 3-year on the products. Tripole aims to provide its customers with the most durable and high-utility products at an affordable ITERNLFRME. The rucksack is designed for long-duration traveling and hiking and is equipped with a fiber frame at the back compounded by an aluminum rod to provide maximum load carrying capacity. RANCOVER. The rucksack comes with a fully waterproof rain cover which is stored inside the Velcro pocket at the base of the rucksack. The cover also comes handy to prevent dust. Bottom OPENG easy access compartment towards the bottom for storing shoes, sleeping bags, soiled clothes, and other handy items you might want to access easily while traveling. This section is separated by a fabric from the main compartment which can be loosened up to make the entire rucksack into one compartment. LEPTOPCOMPRTMBNT. Padded compartment for securely storing your laptop. Up to 17 inches diagonal length. OTKERFETVRES. Water-repellent heavy-duty polyester fabric. Durable hardware and zippers. Soft cushioning on the back provides with comfort and good airflow while walking long hours. Multiple handy pockets on the front, side, and top for storing varied items. What do you think about this? Tell me your thoughts in the comments section and please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a new video.